Morning, friends. Today we got 2015 Nissan Versa with 1.4 liter engine. They show in the scanner the two link that between the air and the gasoline show two link because the car is still working, but they sometimes shoot down the road. This is how we changed the fuel pump because the fuel pump they got a small filter inside. This car is the first time they were changing. Okay, the first thing is remove the back seat. They got some clamps, a couple clamps in the front of the seat. Okay. When you see these clamps, this is they work on the bottom.
Ya saqué el otro lado.
Ready for pull out the back seat. Just the two clamps on the front side of the seat. It's a little bit hard to pull it, but get the seat off, and right now we can see the fuel pump
Se queda en su sitio los
cup protector.
seatbelts. Vamos a trabajar aquí. Vamos a sacar este.
We started removing in this case they don't have any bolt, just got some glue. We use some
En este caso está pegado, no tiene tornillos.
screwdriver
Vamos.
for take the cover off. Okay. Okay, we got the cover off, and right now we can see the fuel pump. The fuel pump, they got your connector and two fuel lines, no? One pressure line, another is return line. Okay, next step is remove the fuel lines. They got some, it's a push button for release and pull out. Okay, on both sides. They got some small clamping on the other side. They reuse it. See, if it don't come for the new pump, maybe it needs to be reused. And in another size is the return line. Same thing. Push the couple buttons and then pull out. We don't have too much room for play, for try to take the pump out because it's very, very tight. We try to make some room put the harness wire under the frame for when I pull out the fuel pump, we make room. Okay, this one, you got two things. We can rent the special tool is little bit clamp, turner the clamp, and then release the fuel pump. Okay, this is what I think. Make a little bit room, take the harness wire under the frame because you got room for pull the fuel pump. Okay, right now we started to take it off the fuel pump. This one come halting. So the gasoline fuel tank level meter, the filter, fuel filter, and the fuel pump. Okay, we put in the bottle for check it, see if it's the same thing to the new one, because we got a new one, and look at it, look like the same. This we started watch because it's the fuel level control is part to the fuel pump. Okay, we take the ring, lock ring, we put the O-ring on the fuel tank. Okay, we put the O-ring on the fuel tank. And then we're close to put it back together, or put it back, the new fuel pump. Very tight, we don't have too much room for play. It's just the hoses and the harness wire. I put underneath the frame so we can make it a room for the fuel pump going there. Okay, this is what I try right now. We try to put the fuel pump on the. Try again, put the harness wire underneath the frame. Okay, you make a clear for put the fuel pump. So you got helper better. If not, do like me. Use your one hand for hold the wire and another hand for put the fuel pump in the place. Okay. Make sure it's not any wire, any holes on the way. Keep clear all around for the lock ring get in the place. Okay. This is just a one position. When you take it off, you see how is the position for the lock rings and the two open in the two positions. This lock ring, you got just the two positions. They got lock position and they got open position. It's just a turner for the right hand for lock, turner for the left hand for open, and they got some stops in both sides. Okay, you can rent the special tools and then you tight the lock ring. Okay, the lock ring is tight. We put all the hose back in the place. Okay, one is the pressure line, another is return line. In this case, you show the plug, the yellow plug is the pressure line. You remember you seen it before, the little bit plastic clamp. And the way you can reuse it if it don't come in on the pack, on the box, the new fuel pump. Just push it in and you hear like a lock or tick is done. Take another size, same thing. In this case, you don't have extra lock. It's just to put in the place and push it in when you're feeling this lock. Okay, next step, keep on go, put the plug, fuel pump plug. Okay, put in the place. That's it. The fuel pump is done. It's just to put it back the cap and put it back the seat and crank it. Good to go. Okay, my friend, this is Sari. Share all my things doing. Mechanics, 40 years experience. Appreciated you share this video. Good comments. Share for your friends too. If you subscribe the channel, put a like it. You help me a lot. Here we go. Everything is back together. The car be done. We crank it. It worked perfect. Because this car is over 100,000 miles, the first time I changed the fuel pump. Inside the fuel pump is the fuel filter. It's a small fuel filter, but this is whatever reason they gotta. Thank you.